Hi, are you Leo?
Yes, I am Leo. Are you Lily?
Yes, I am Lily. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Is this your first English class?
Yes, I want to learn simple English.
Me too. I want to speak English in real life.
Good. We can learn together.
Yes, that is great. Lily, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m. What about you?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you eat breakfast at home?
Yes, I eat breakfast at home. I eat bread and eggs.
I drink milk and eat fruit.
That is healthy.
Yes. After breakfast, I go to work.
I go to school after breakfast.
Leo, where is the bus stop?
The bus stop is near the park.
Is it far from here?
No, it is not far. You can walk for 5 minutes.
Thank you.
Do you need bus number 12?
Yes. Does it go to the city center?
Yes, it goes to the city center.
Great. I will take that bus.
Lily, do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping for clothes.
What do you want to buy today?
I want to buy a t-shirt.
What color do you like?
I like blue.
Blue is a nice color.
Yes. And you? Do you want to buy anything?
I want to buy new shoes.
Great. Let's go to the store. Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping for clothes.
What do you want to buy today?
I want to buy a t-shirt.
What color do you like?
I like blue.
Blue is a nice color.
Yes. And you? Do you want to buy anything?
I want to buy new shoes.
Great. Let's go to the store.
Excuse me, how much is this t-shirt?
It is $10.
Do you have size M?
Yes. Here you go.
Thank you.
Do you like it?
Yes, it feels good.
Then you should buy it.
I think so too.
I am hungry. Do you want to eat?
Yes, let's eat something.
Hello. What would you like to order?
I want a chicken sandwich and orange juice.
Okay. And you?
I want a burger and a cola.
Thank you. Please wait a moment.
Do you eat fast food often?
No, not often. Maybe once a week.
That is okay.
Yes. Sometimes it is tasty.
The weather is nice today.
Yes. It is sunny and warm.
Do you like sunny days?
Yes. I feel happy on sunny days.
Me too. Rainy days make me sleepy.
Same here. Lily, what are your hobbies?
I like reading and cooking.
Nice. I like playing football and watching movies.
What movies do you like?
I like action movies.
I like comedy movies.
Comedy is fun.
Leo, can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
I want apples, but I cannot find them.
Apples are over there, near the bananas.
Thank you.
Do you want red apples or green apples?
I want red apples. They are sweet.
Good choice.
And I also need rice.
Rice is on aisle 2.
Let's go there.
Lily, are you okay?
Yes, but I need medicine for a cold.
Oh no. Let's go to the pharmacy.
Hello, how can I help you?
I have a cold. I need simple medicine.
Here you go. Take it 2 times a day.
Thank you.
Do you want water?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
What do you do this weekend?
I want to visit my friend.
Nice. Where does your friend live?
She lives in another city.
How will you go?
I will go by train.
I like trains. They are comfortable.
Yes, and fast. Excuse me, where can I buy a ticket?
You can buy a ticket at the counter.
Thank you.
Lily, do you want a one-way ticket or a round-trip ticket?
I want a round-trip ticket.
Good.
The train comes at 9 a.m.
Great. Don't be late.
Lily, why do you want to learn English?
I want to speak English in real situations.
Same here. I want to talk to people when I travel.
That is a good reason.
Yes, English helps in many places.
Do you watch English videos?
Yes, I watch English videos every day.
Nice. I listen to English podcasts.
The park is quiet today.
Yes, it is peaceful.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I walk here every evening.
That is good for health.
Yes. Do you exercise?
I do light exercise in the morning.
Lily, let's study English together.
Yes, good idea.
What time do you want to study?
Maybe 8 p.m. every day.
Okay, we can practice speaking
Yes, we can ask simple questions.
and learn new words.
That will help both of us.
Leo, today was a good day.
Yes, we spoke English in many situations.
I feel more confident now.
Me too. Let's practice again tomorrow.
Yes. See you tomorrow, Lily.
See you, Leo. Lily, do you want to study at the library today?
Yes, I want a quiet place to study.
The library is a good place. It is peaceful.
Do they have English books?
Yes, they have many English books for beginners.
Great. I want a simple storybook.
I want a grammar book.
Good. Let's look around.
Lily, do you like this book?
Yes, it is easy to read.
Then take it.
Okay. I will borrow it for 1 week.
Lily, let's practice a little.
Yes. What do you want to practice?
Let's practice describing things.
Okay. Describe the table.
The table is brown. It is big. It is clean.
Good. Now, I describe the chair. The chair is black. It is soft. It is small.
Nice. You are improving.
Thank you. Practice helps a lot.
Yes, real situations make English easier.
Leo, what is your English goal this month?
I want to learn 100 new words.
That is a good goal.
And you? What is your goal?
I want to speak English for 10 minutes every day.
Wow, that will help you speak well.
Yes, I want to feel confident.
You will. You are doing great. Leo, can you help me with pronunciation?
Sure. Which word?
The word comfortable.
It sounds like comfortable.
Oh, not comfortable?
No, it is shorter.
Thank you.
Can you help me with spelling?
Yes. What word?
Restaurant.
R-E-S-T-A-U-R-A-N-T.
Thank you, Lily.
You're welcome. We learn together.
Lily, do you want to practice tomorrow too?
Yes, of course.
What time is good for you?
Maybe 7 p.m.?
Okay. We can practice speaking and reading.
Yes, and maybe listen to an English audio.
Good idea.
Tomorrow will be another good study day.
Yes. Let's keep learning.
What have you learned so far from these real English situations?
Share one thing you learned and will practice in real life below this video.
If you like this video, please leave your comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.